Sanibona futhi uvandlo, so I'm sure nilibonile-ke ijezi elikhishwa namhlanje Orlando Pirates. Leli jezi-ke leli bafethu kuthiwa lizophuma nini na? Lizophuma ngomhla ka-30 July. Alikakaphumi-ke, alikakabi available. Lizophuma ngomhla ka-30 July for isizini entsha 2026-2027. Nilibona-ke bafethu ijezi le-away. Ilona-ke ijezi leli elisoligqoka as i-away. Njengoba nilibona nje bafethu, it's a retro type of jersey leli bafethu. Uma uyibheke-ke le jezi le, uma ujwayele ukulibuka vele ibhola lale ko-Premier League nako-Europe nje kahle kahle, amajezi amaningi e-Adidas ajwayele ukuba nje amajezi e-away, yabo. Ngingayithanda-ke i-design because bathathe nale design le yaleli jezi le Bafana leli elikhona njengamanje i-green. Uma ucheck-e nje ama-colours la, yabo, ngiyayithanda-ke i-design and with the gold. I-gold-ke bafethu i-symbolizer ini na ukuthi-ke Orlando Pirates ithathile i-Betway Premiership kule season esiphuma kuyona, so i-symbolizer yona i-gold. Nibona nje nayo i-home jersey, it is a similar situation nakhona kwi-home jersey, yabo. Ino-gold with Vodacom, ino-gold nalapha kwi-badge with a touch of gold naku-Suzuki naku-Adidas, yabo. I remember Kaizer Chiefs did a similar jersey before when they thought they were going to win the league, but they failed to win the league, but they released the jersey anyway with the gold. I think babe celebrate i-birthday nakhona futhi ngeke ngazi kwangitshela so ingabe ba-release ngoba babeyitho ukuthi bazowina i-league noma babe celebrate i-birthday, but you can tell me in the comments. But kunento engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo, labantu abaningi bebesho ukuthi ngabe uPaul Renault loya noma uPaulani, yabo. Njalo nilibona nje beyitho ukuthi uPaul Renault nami cha sengibonile. It's a throwback le bafethu kule design ye-jersey lapha phakathi. Bingakopili lutho i-Orlando Pirates ibithatha back from previous seasons. Uma ukhumbula kahle kumajezi akudala sesaba ne-design ecishe kuba nje sasiphathwa u-Umbro kuqaleni, yabo. Sasisebenzisa u-Umbro, sasingayisebenzisi i-Adidas. Uma usubheke nje le design le bafethu, le design le i-design ya-Umbro le, so sithathe khona-ke sasiyifaka kwi-home jersey yethu bafethu. It's like a throwback. It suits very well kuleli jersey elikhona njengamahlala kamnandi. Kuyikona ukuthi-ke ngezibonakale kahle, but-ke masulubuka kahle, usulubuka umdlalo eligqokile uzobona ukuthi hayi man, uyayibona i-pattern lapha. So it's a nice jersey. Bengingajabula mhlawumbe ukuthi-ke u-Adidas ugqame noma mhlawumbe u-Adidas lapho 3 line ube igolide, yabo. For me it's a nice jersey. I don't know, wena wangitshela kuma comments, how do you feel regarding this jersey? Ngokwami mina-ke I'll buy these 2 jerseys as usual. I'll buy them just to feel them and show you guys ukuthi-ke ingabe liyangihlala noma lingihlali. But-ke I cannot wait for 30 July. Mele benze sure ukuthi-ke bawa-release sooner because 30 July ukude kakhulu. Why not umhla ka-30 June? Kwenzakalani kade umhla ka-30 June?